Don't lose your home in a divorce. Top strategies to protect your property. Hey there, and welcome back to the Law Office of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. My name is Madeline Herrera, an attorney here at the Law Office of Brian Fagan. Today we're going to discuss a topic that many people go through in a divorce, which is how to protect your home and avoid losing it in the process. Divorce is undoubtedly a challenging period, and the mere thought of losing your home can add to that stress. But fear not. There are several options that are available to help you keep your house, and we're here to walk you through them step by step. Before we begin, it's important to clarify, there's no hard and fast rule stating you must lose your house if you get divorced. When it comes to your marital home, you have three main options. You can keep the house, your spouse can keep the house, or you both can sell the house and split the proceeds. The first option is for you to keep the house. If you and your spouse agree that you will keep the house, you would need to buy your spouse out of their equity in the home. This means that you would need to determine the value of your house, subtract any outstanding mortgage balances, and divide the remaining equity equally between you and your spouse. The second option is for your spouse to keep the house. If you and your spouse agree your spouse can keep the house, your spouse would need to buy you out of your equity in the home. This means that your spouse would need to determine the value of the home, subtract any outstanding mortgage balances, and divide the remaining equity equally between you and your spouse. Lastly, the third option is to sell the house and split the proceeds. If you and your spouse agree to sell the house, you would need to determine the value of the house, subtract any outstanding mortgage balances, and divide the remaining equity equally between you and your spouse. While these options may seem straightforward, there are some complications that can arise. For example, if both you and your spouse are on the mortgage and there is no way to remove your name from the mortgage, you might have difficulty obtaining a new mortgage in the future. If you and your spouse cannot agree on who should keep the house or whether to sell it, a judge will need to make the decision for you. This can be a lengthy and expensive process, so it is important to come to an agreement with your spouse, if possible. Now, let's discuss the fourth option. This might arise in specific situations such as a recession or when there is no equity in the house. In this case, one person keeps the house but does not refinance or buy the other person out. This usually happens by agreement, and the person staying in the house takes on the responsibility of making the mortgage payments while protecting the other person's credit. It is essential to remember, most property decisions in a divorce case are settled by agreement rather than going to a trial. This means you and your spouse have the opportunity to work out your arrangements for the house and other assets with the help of attorneys or mediators. In fact, 98% of divorce cases are settled, so it's likely you'll be able to reach an agreement that suits both parties. Now, let's talk about some tips and strategies for protecting your home during a divorce. First, be proactive and seek legal advice as soon as possible. A knowledgeable attorney can help you understand your options and develop a strategy tailored to suit your situation. Second, gather all necessary documents and information about your home, such as mortgage statements, property tax records, and appraisals. This will help you and your attorney accurately assess the value of the property and make informed decisions. Third, be open to negotiation and compromise. Divorce is a complex and emotionally charged process, but staying calm and focused on finding solutions that work for both parties can lead to more favorable outcomes. Fourth, consider the tax implications of the various options. Understanding the potential tax consequences of selling the house, refinancing, or using retirement funds for a buyout can help you avoid costly mistakes and make better decisions for your financial future. Fifth, if you're considering keeping the house, be realistic about the costs and responsibilities involved in home ownership. Ensure you can afford the mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs on your own without the support of your spouse. Sixth, think about your long-term goals and priorities. Do you want to keep the house because it's genuinely the best option for you? Or are you holding onto it for sentimental reasons? Considering what's best for your future can help you make more informed decisions about your home during the divorce process. If you and your spouse are having difficulty agreeing on what to do with the house, consider working with a mediator or a collaborative divorce team. These professionals help facilitate productive discussions and assist in finding a mutually agreeable solution. Remember, every situation is unique, and the best course of action for your case can differ from someone else's. That's why it's crucial to consult with an experienced family law attorney who can guide you through the process and help you make the right choices for your specific circumstances. Our team of skilled attorneys is here to support and guide you through this challenging time. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.